Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this beautiful book by the Babysitters Club. So this one here is called The Truth About Stacey. So this is a story about Stacey, and she just moved to a new town and she's coming to terms with her diabetes and facing babysitting problems. So if any of you have ever read The Babysitters Club, you know it's this group of they are babysitters, and you get to hear their stories and different situations that they have. So you get to hear their little adventures. It's a really good series, I find, for young girls. This one I got for my daughter. I love the illustration. I love that they made it like a comic book style. So it's really cool to see the pictures the way they are. We kind of pick different characters. That's our thing. And we'll pick who we're going to read for. So I really love that they have the bubble lettering. The coloring is amazing. The illustration is amazing. And the story is really good. But you'll just have to see. That's just my point of view.